Hello, this is Kelly from Memory Bound, and for this week's video, I want to tell you about this really amazing product called Undo. It's called Undo because it's an adhesive remover. It's good for crafters and other people too, just around your home, and I'm going to show you how it works. It's safe for your photos, it doesn't damage them. If you have those photo albums with the magnetic pages that have turned brown, this will take your photos out and it won't hurt them. When you take the cap off, you have this spatula piece, and it kind of guides where the Undo fluid is going to go. This is a picture that I put on this mat and it's just a little bit crooked. I want to take it off, and I could try to tear it off and maybe tear my picture or the paper, but if I use Undo, I put the little spatula piece right under my photo, and it's going to loosen up all that tape that's under there, and I am getting it on my picture. It's dripping and going right onto the cardstock. And look how cool, how easy that's coming off. I did get my picture wet, but that's gonna dry, and you'll notice the cardstock is wet, but we'll give that just a minute. The cardstock piece has dried, and there's no sign of ever being wet with the Undo fluid. And the back of my picture still has the tape, and it is still sticky. So it keeps that adhesive bond, and now I can put my picture back on my mat and center it the way I want it. Another time you might want to use it is if you have a scrapbook page and you have a special photo on there that you want to put in a frame, maybe duplicate, make a copy of, and you can take it out of your scrapbook page very easily with a little bit of Undo. Depending on how long the tape has been on your photo, you might just need to soak it a little bit more to get it loosened. And look how it's coming right off. After this dries, my picture will be just fine. It doesn't ruin it. That's what I think is amazing about Undo, is that you can get this on top of your photos and it doesn't hurt them at all. There's other uses for Undo, like maybe you purchase an item and it's got a label on it, a price sticker, and I tried to peel this one off and I couldn't get it off. Take my Undo, and look how fast it's taking that off. There's a little bit of sticky residue. You can just wipe it with a little tissue or a paper towel, and your sticker's off. I get really annoyed when I buy kitchen items that have stickers that don't come off, like bowls or glasses, and this is like a Tupperware type lid. You can see I tried to like really peel it off. Look how it's coming up now with the Undo. And then it's coming right off. Putting the lid back on because I have plenty of Undo on here. I just want to use the scraper. And I'm going to be pretty excited because this lid has bothered me for a long time. There's still some sticky. I can just add a little bit more Undo and wipe it off. I'm very excited now that this lid is not all gooey. The other thing we use Undo for at Memory Bound is to clean up our scissors. Our scissors get really gunky and gooey, and we just kind of squirt a little bit on, scrape it a bit, wipe it off. And you'll be amazed if you have some gummy adhesive on your scissors, how it cleans them up, and they'll be just like new. If you're doing a graduation board this year, you have a senior and you're not sure about putting your photos on there with the tape and being able to get them off, Undo will take your photos right off of your board and it won't even damage your photos. Now we're changing this year's to 2020, so look at how nice that's coming off. And your photos will come off just like that. Undo is great for photos, your old photo albums. It cleans your scissors. If you make a mistake scrapbooking, you can get your photo off real easily. It's great for your household items or any price stickers. If you're giving a gift and you want to get the price sticker off, it doesn't damage it. And it's good also for candle wax and crayon markings. But there's a use that I really am excited to tell you about. It takes gum out of your carpet. Just for the sake of this video, we happen to have some chewed blue gum in our carpet. It's soaked, and get the Undo to kind of go underneath the gum, and you kind of pry it up. And I did rub this in the carpet really hard because I wanted it to be a good example. Take it right out of the carpet. There's a couple little chunks there I can get out with my scraper and my Undo. Coming right out. There we go. So it takes gum out of your carpet. So you've seen how great Undo works on labels and stickers and tape adhesives. So come on in and get a bottle and just make things a little less sticky at your house. We'll see you soon.